Welcome back to Satakshi classes. Today we have another set of 30 GK questions which are very likely for various competitive exams. Let's begin. The capital of India was shifted from Calcutta to Delhi in 1910, 1911, 1912, 1913. B. 1911 is the correct answer. The first port constructed by the British in India was at Calcutta, at St. George, at Bombay, St. David. A. At Calcutta is the correct answer. In which year was the Quit India movement started? 1930, 1940, 1942, 1947. C. 1942 is the correct answer. Which of the following is the holy book of the Jews? Talmud, Bible, Quran, Jain Avesta. Talmud. A is the correct answer. Which of the following was the built between 3000 BC and 1800 BC? The Tomb of Alexander, the Colossus of Rhodes, the places of Diana at Ephesus, the Pyramid of Egypt. D. The Pyramid of Egypt is the correct answer. Which of the following is known as Britain of the South? Hamilton, New Zealand, Kerala, Goa. B. New Zealand is the correct answer. Approximately what percentage of land is under forest in India? 15%, 18%, 60%, 55%. B. 18% is the correct answer. Which of the following areas in India gets highest rainfall? Assam, Kerala, Maushinram, Chennai. Maushinram. C is the correct answer. Which one of the following was considered the heart and soul of the Constitution by the Dr. Ambedkar? Freedom of speech, right to constitutional remedies, right to equality, right to freedom of religion. B. Right to constitutional remedies is the correct answer. In which month do the South West monsoon bid annual farewell to India? October, September, November, December. B. September is the correct answer. Who was the first Governor General of Free India? Rajagopalachari, Lord Mountbatten, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad. B. Lord Mountbatten is the correct answer. Directive principles of state policy enunciated in the Constitution of India do not include legal aid to poor, compulsory primary education, minimum wages for workers, adult education. A. Legal aid to poor is correct answer. Who was the first lady governor for a state in India? Sheila Kaul, Darla Grewal, Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi. C. Sarojini Naidu is the correct answer. Which animal belongs to the Gir forest? Bengal tiger, rhinoceros, elephant, Asiatic lion. D. Asiatic lion is the correct answer. Which country is the biggest producer of mercury? Italy, Mexico, Germany. A. Italy is the correct answer. Which is the main industrial activity of Tanzania? Clones export, wild west, mining, dairy products. C. Mining is the correct answer. Insulin is produced by the pituitary gland, gallbladder, intestine, pancreas. D. Pancreas is the correct answer. The term bull and bear are used in the Bihar government's Animal Husbandry Department, Income Tax Department, the Central Bureau of Investigation, the Stock Exchange. D. The stock exchange is the correct answer. Who is the author of A Passage to England? E.M. Forster, Neeraj G. Chaudhary, G.B. Shaw, Winston Churchill. B. Neeraj C. Chaudhary is the correct answer. To whom should the President of India address the letter of his resignation? The Prime Minister of India, the Chief Justice of India, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the Vice President of India. D. The Vice President of India is the correct answer. Jeddah is an airport. Jeddah is an important A. Seaport, B. Airport, C. Island, D. Lake. B. Airport is the correct answer. The Finance Commission is constituted after every 3 years, 4 years, 2 years, 5 years. D. 5 years is the correct answer. Which of the following country capital is not correctly matched? Libya, Tripoli, Malawi, Jomba, Egypt, Cairo, Chad, Bangui. D. Chad, Bangui is the correct answer. The first J.R.D. Tata Award for Corporate Leadership has been conferred upon Rajan Pillai, K.L. Chhag, R.C. Bhargava, Aditya Birla. D. Aditya Birla is the correct answer. Which of the following is the heaviest planet in the solar system? Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn. B. Jupiter is the correct answer. The ore of the earth is of amorphous material, a vacuum, metallic, plastic. C. Metallic is the correct answer. A day on Mercury, that is from one sunrise to the next, is equivalent of how many Earth days? 365, 206, 276, 176. D. 176 is the correct answer. Kadambari was written by Aryabhat, Banabhat, Bharat Muni, Bhabhabunti. B. Banabhatta is the correct answer. The famous Raja Rani temple is located at Bhopal, Bhuneshwar, Jaipur, Udaipur. B. Bhuneshwar is the correct answer. I hope you like this video very much. Thanks for watching, friends. If you learn something new, then don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Thanks once again, friends.